Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Yes, in this class I am going to discuss Karnataka TET 2024 preparation. The topic is atoms and molecules. Let us discuss few MCQ question based on the topic atoms and molecules. Let us consider the first question here. Oxygen is Let us consider the first question here. The oxygen is monovalent, option A. Option B, bivalent. Option C, trivalent. Option D, tetravalent. Oxygen is a bivalent. The correct answer for this question is oxygen is a bivalent. 1 minute, I will check whether the volume is coming correctly or not. The oxygen is monovalent, option Tell me, those who are in live, tell me whether my volume is coming correctly or not. Let us discuss in detail what is meant by monovalent, divalent and trivalent atom. Monovalent, divalent, trivalent atoms. Monovalent, divalent. Wait a minute, I am setting my mic. Okay, now it will be good. Yes, let us discuss in detail what is meant by monovalent atoms. Monovalent atoms means atoms and elements have a valence of 1. The valence of that atom it will be 1. They can either donate or accept 2 electrons, can only form one covalent bond. Example, hydrogen, sodium, hydrogen H plus. Here they given the wrong one, hydrogen H plus. Then sodium Na plus, chlorine Cl minus and other monovalent atoms. Yes, monovalent. The name itself it is indicate monovalent atom. The valence with the valence of electron, it will be 1. Then example for that monovalent is hydrogen H plus, sodium Na plus, chlorine Cl minus, and other monovalent atoms are examples. Then divalent refer to an atom or ion or an element with a valence of 2. Example oxygen O2 minus, magnesium Mg2 plus, sulfur S2 minus, and other divalent atoms are example. Monovalent means the atoms it having the valency of 1. Divalent means atoms or ions or elements having the valency of 2. Trivalent atom means atom, ion or element with a valency of 3. Example nitrogen N3 minus, aluminum Al3 plus, phosphorus P3 minus, other trivalent atoms. Okay, understood? Therefore, oxygen is a divalent atom. Bivalent atom, not divalent, bivalent atom. Let us discuss with next problem. Let us move to the next question now. Next question. Neutron is option A chargeless and massless, option B chargeless and has mass, option C has charge and mass, option D has charge and massless. Neutron. The correct answer for this question is neutron is chargeless and also has mass. Neutron is neutral. It does not have any charge. Neutron is neutral. Therefore, it is chargeless and also the mass, it has mass. Next question. Fourth question. A change in the physical state can be brought about. A change in physical state. When you can identify the physical state it occurred. Okay. A change in physical state can be brought about when you can decide a physical change happen. Option A only when energy is given to the system. Option B only when energy is taken out from the system. Option C when energy is either given or taken out from the system. Option D without any energy change. When you will tell a change in physical state, it will occur. The change in physical state, it will indicate only when. The correct answer will be option C when energy is either given or taken out from the system. When you can decide a physical change occur in any chemical reaction, some chemical reaction they will the change it will observe when they will absorb the energy. For example, melting of ice is converted into a water. Then when conversion, the ice it will absorb the energy. then it will become a liquid. Ice is converted into a water. Then in some other cases like this, in the same way, the change in physical state, water when it will start boiling, then water it will be a converted into a vapor state. Here also the exchange of energy it will be takes place. Therefore any change in physical state it will depend when energy is either given to the system or we can take the energy from the system. Let us move to the next question now. Those who are live, solve. Either given or taken out from the system. When you can decide a physical change occur in any chemical reaction, some chemical reaction, they will the change it will observe when they will absorb the energy. For example, melting of ice, ice is converted into a water. Then when conversion, the ice it will absorb the energy. Next question, question number 5. Mass of one atom of oxygen. Mass of one atom of oxygen. What is the mass of one atom of oxygen here? Option A here, answer will be 16 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 gram. Here this Avogadro number, this value is Avogadro number. This one you have to remember. Avogadro number, the value is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This is the value of Avogadro number. If you want to find mass of one atom, then here you have to consider the oxygen. Atomic number of an oxygen is 16. 16 divided by mass of one atom of oxygen, it will be equal to atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. This is the formula you have to remember. Mass of one atom of oxygen it will be equal to atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. If you want to calculate the mass of an any atom, then you have to use the formula atomic mass of that particular atom divided by Avogadro number. You will get mass of one atom. Then here they are not asking the answer. Here they are given the option. The correct answer it will be 16 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 gram. Here 16 it will be the atomic mass of an oxygen. Then this value 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is the Avogadro number. Avogadro number it will be fixed for all the, it will be fixed value. You have to remember the value. Let us answer the next question. If you want to calculate the mass of any atom, then you have to use the formula atomic. Let us answer the next question. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true about an atom? Which statement is not true about an atom? Atoms are not able to exist independently. Which statement is not true? They are asking here. Atoms are not atoms are not able to exist independently. Option B, atoms are the basic unit from which molecules and ions are formed. Atoms are always neutral in nature. Atoms aggregate in large number to form the matter that we can see, feel and touch. Here which statement is not true? Option D, which the statement is not true. Atoms aggregate in large number to form the matter that we can see, feel, touch. Atoms, individual atoms we can't see, even we can't feel, we can't even touch also. But remaining three statement they are correct. Atoms are not able to exist independently. Yes, independent atom we will not get. Always atoms they will be exist in the combined form. Independent atoms they will not exist. Atoms are the building units from which molecules ions are formed. Yes, atoms we will consider as a building block elements, because from the group of atoms only we will get molecules and also ions. That statement also correct. Third one, atoms are always neutral in nature. Always the atoms they will be exist in the neutral state. That is also correct. Therefore, according to this four statement, statement 4 is the wrong one. Let us move to the next question. Seventh question. 1U. 1U or 1 AMU means, what is the meaning of 1 AMU? Option A, 1 by 12th of mass of carbon 12 atoms. Option B, mass of carbon 12 atom. Option C, mass of oxygen 16 atom. Option D, mass of hydrogen molecule. 1 AMU means mass of 1 by 12th the mass of carbon 12 atoms. Here carbon 12 we will consider as an isotopes. Isotopes I will explain in detail later. Then 1 unit or 1 AMU, always when we are comparing the mass of an any molecules or compound. Okay, then we will compare that mass of a molecule or compound with 1 by 12 the mass of carbon 12 atoms. That is the standard value of 1 AMU is nothing but 1 by 12th the mass of carbon 12 atom. Remember. And also my theory class atoms and molecules, it will be available in Karnataka TET 2023. Please refer that one. Theory part, then if you know the theory part, then answering this type of questions it will be very easy. Question number 8. A sample of a sample of ammonium NH3 molecule irrespective of source contains 82.35 percentage of nitrogen, then 17.65 percentage of hydrogen by mass. This data supports what is the what is this data it is giving the information. In the ammonium molecule, this is the percentage of nitrogen, this is the percentage of hydrogen. Then this it will indicate the data which support what? Option A, the law of conservation of mass. Option B, the law of multiple proportions. Option C, law of definite proportions. Option D, Avogadro's law. Then here this data it will support the law of definite proportion. See, ammonium molecule, the formula is NH3. Then here they are given the data how much percentage of nitrogen is there in that ammonium molecule, then how much percentage of hydrogen it will be there in ammonium molecule. Everything this data it will tells the law of definite proportions. Remember. Next question, the molecular formula of potassium nitrate. Easy question. What is the molecular formula of potassium nitrate? First option KNO3, second option KNO, third option KNO2, fourth one KNO. The correct answer is KNO3. That is the correct molecular formula of potassium nitrate. Next, which of the following has maximum number of atoms? Out of this four option, which one is has the maximum number of atom? Which one it has maximum number of atoms? Let us solve the problem here. Yes, 18 grams of, consider all the four options. Then you have to remember the formula. Number of atoms, it will be mass of substance into number of atoms in the molecule divided by molar mass and also into Avogadro number. Na means Avogadro number. Its value you know 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Otherwise here you can mention as Na, Avogadro number you have to multiply. Then consider 18 gram of water. What is the 18 gram of water. The formula for water is H2O. Then here the molecular mass, it will be 18 gram per mole. 18 into, then mass of the substance is 18, then number of atoms, how many number of atoms are there? Hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 atoms are there here. See, remember the formula here. How to find the number of atoms? Mass of substance. Molecular mass of water is 18 into number of atoms in the molecule. How many atoms are there? 3 atoms divided by molar mass. Molar mass is 18 into Avogadro number. 18, 18, it will get cancelled. Then 3 into Avogadro number. This formula you have to remember to find the number of atoms. In the same way, 18 grams of oxygen. Oxygen, molecular mass of oxygen is 18 into how many atoms are there? 2. O2, 2. Then divided by molecular molar mass. Molar mass is 32 because atomic mass of one atom of oxygen is 16 units. That is the atomic mass. Then here molecular mass of oxygen is 16 twos are 32. This is 16, not 18. Oh, here they are given 18. 18 values. Okay, 18 gram it will be same. 18 gram. Whatever 18 they are given, that is the mass of the substance. 18 it will be fixed for all the 18 gram mass of the substance. Sorry, this is not the molecular mass. This one is the 18 gram mass of the substance. This is 18. All the 4 cases same amount of substance, 18 gram. Then here number of atoms divided by molar mass. Molar mass of water is 18. 18, 18 get cancelled. That is 3. Yes, no confusion. Then second one, 18 gram, that is mass of substance into, then number of atoms is 2 divided by, then molecular mass of oxygen is 16 twos are 32 units. Then multiply, you will get here 1.12 Na Avogadro number. Then 18 gram of carbon dioxide. Here mass of substance 18. Then number of atoms is 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by. Then molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 into Avogadro number. Simplify, you will get 1.23 Avogadro number. No need to simplify, write as it is Avogadro number. You have to compare the number of atoms. Without simplification also you can keep it as it is. Then 18 grams of methane, CH4. Then 18 into, what is the, how many atoms are there? 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 16. 16 is the molar mass of methane. Then multiply, you will get 5.63. Out of this 4, which one has the, what is the question here? Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? Out of this, which one has the maximum number of atoms? Yes, methane. Answer, it will be methane. It has the maximum number of, methane has the maximum number of atoms. Remember the formula, very very important. Number of atoms, it will be mass of substance. Mass of substance, they are given here 18 gram, 18 gram, 18 gram. Okay. Then number of atoms in the molecule divided by molar mass into Avogadro number. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following would weigh the highest? This is also problem. Let us solve the problem. Which of the following would weigh the highest? Yes. See, molecular mass of C12H22O11 is 12 into 12 plus 12 into 22 into 1 plus 11 into 16 gram, that is 342 gram. Molecular mass of that carbon carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here how many atoms are there? 12, 22, 11. Multiply with their atomic number. Then solve, you will get 342 gram. Then here they are asking 0.2 mole of that. Multiply this one with 0.2, you will get 68.4 gm. This is the first one. This is C12H22O11. Consider this, how many carbon atoms are there? 12. Then atomic number of, then this multiply with 12 plus 22. How many hydrogen? 22 into 1. Then how many oxygen? 11. 11 into 16. Multiply, you will get 342 gram. Then here in the question they are asking zero point 0.2 moles, zero point 0.2 mole of sucrose. Multiply that answer with 0.2, you will get 68.4 gram. Then next problem, the molar mass of carbon dioxide. How to calculate? How many carbon? Only one is there, therefore 12 plus 2 oxygen is there, 2 into 16, you will get 44 gram. Here also how many moles? 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Then multiply that answer with 2. 2 into 44, 88 gram. First one is 68, second one is 88 gram. Then third one, molar mass of calcium carbonate. Calculate the molar mass of calcium carbonate. 40. Calcium is 40, carbon is 12, then oxygen, 3 atoms are there, 3 into 16, you will get 100 gram. Then they are asking 2 moles, 2 into 100, it will be 200. Then that is the third one. Next one, molar mass of hydrogen, molar mass of water, H2O. 2 into 1 plus 16, you will get 18 gram. Here 10 moles they are asking. 10 into 18, it will be 180 gram. Then here what they are asking, they are asking which of the following would weigh the highest. Among this one, which one he is having the more weight? First one is 68.4 gram, second one is 88, third one is 200, the fourth one is 180. Therefore, the correct answer, it will be calcium carbonate, because its value is 200 gram. Next question, the chemical symbol for sodium is very easy question. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Option A SO, option B Sd, option C Na, option N capital N capital A, option D capital N small a, capital N small a. It will be the correct symbol for sodium. Question number 15. Which of the following statement is correct? Among 4, which of the statement is correct? First option, cathode rays travel in straight line and have momentum. Option B, cathode rays travel in a straight line and have no momentum. Option C, cathode rays do not travel in straight line but have momentum. Option D, cathode rays do not travel in straight line but and have no momentum. The correct answer for this question is cathode rays travel in a straight line and have momentum. That is the correct statement. That is correct meaning, correct definition of a cathode rays. Otherwise, correct features of a cathode rays. Cathode rays travel in a straight line and also they have the momentum. That is the correct one. Then question number 16, the maximum number of electrons in L shell. Option A 8, option B 18, option C 28, option D 38. In the N shell, what is the maximum number of electron? That it will be 8. KLMN. Yes. 2, this is 8. M is 18, then N is 32. Next question. Molecular mass is defined as. What is the definition of molecular mass? Molecular mass is defined as option A, the mass of one molecule of any substance compared with mass of one atom of carbon 12. Option B, the mass of one atom compared with the mass of one atom of hydrogen. Option C, the mass of one atom compared with the mass of one molecule. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer it will be option A. Molecular mass is always compared with mass of one molecule of any substance compared with the mass of one carbon 12 isotope. Yes, next one. The chemical symbol for hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, they are asking. What is the chemical symbol for hydrogen gas? Option A, Ni. No, this nickel. Option B, N2. Option C, N plus. Option D, N. What is the chemical symbol for hydrogen gas is N2. Because the chemical formula of nitrogen is N. Chemical formula for nitrogen is N, but nitrogen exists in the molecule of two ions, hence the chemical symbol of nitrogen gas is N2. Nitrogen is N, but always the nitrogen gas it will be exist in the form of 2. Hello Kavita, my voice is audible? Is it clear? Tell me. Is my voice is clear? You, anyone comment me? Is my voice is clear? You are not feeling any difficulty here? Thank you, Kavita. Yes, the chemical symbol for nitrogen gas is N2. Next question, question number 19. Which of the following statement is not true about an atom? Which statement is not true about an atom? Maybe this one is already repeated question, but those who join now, you can answer it. Already I discussed this question. Maybe this question is repeated. Option A, atoms are not able to exist independently. Option B, atoms are the basic units from which molecules and ions are formed. Option C, atoms are always neutral in nature. Option D, atoms aggregate in large number to form the matter that we can feel, touch, feel and see, feel and also touch. Which statement is not true? Option D is not true. This question is repeated one. This also repeated, I think. Okay, this question also repeated. The correct answer is C. Already we discussed. I don't know why two questions are repeated. Sorry. A change in physical state. When you can identify the physical uh, change in physical state, when energy is either given to the system or energy is removed from the system. When energy is either given to or taken out from the system. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. This is the small short class, at least half an hour I completed one. Then these are the few important MCQ questions based on the topic atoms and molecules. Those who are not watched my theory part of an atoms and molecules, please go through my channel. It is there in previous year Karnataka TET 2023 atoms and molecules. Please watch the theory class, then after solve this MCQ questions, then you will feel better. It will be easy for you. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class.